Claude is taking over in trading AI. It's taking over. And in this video, I'm going to share my honest opinion on it, because this is something super important that you guys need to listen up to if you guys are into crypto trading or just trading in general. We're heading towards the next evolution in trading and analytics. And this is very, very important because we're in the beginning stages, in my opinion. Right? I mean, this is absolutely insane. I'm going to break down my honest thoughts. I'm going to share what's happening. Maybe some of you guys are just clueless, right? But this is like that next evolution from like bot trading, right? There's bot trading. This is that next evolutionary step where AI is actually coming into trading itself and having so much influence in indicators and systems and everything. I mean, we were in a point where people were putting screenshots and AI was telling you, okay, is this bullish? Is this bearish? What's the next price point? This and that. Now this is a big step because now it's not screenshots anymore. It's these AI systems like Claude. And look, Claude is the first. There's going to be many more to come. Claude is just a pioneer, but this is going to ramp up. And honestly, guys, even if you don't like it or not, like, you have to get into this. You have to evolve with the times, right? It's like we don't just reach a certain step in evolution in trading, which is, you know, an example, and just stop. No, this is that next step. And you guys are blessed to be here in the beginning stages where you can take advantage of this, right? And this is just trading itself, but AI is taking over everything. But this is the beginning stages of trading, in my opinion. And here we can already start to see Claude plugins drop like an atomic bomb on software stocks, right? We can see the influence that this is having, the productivity, right? Managed tax calendars, daily workflows, personal context, enterprise search, plug and create, customize. I mean, it's so much things, so, you know, systems, to the point even creating indicators, which is something that I was manually doing it, right? But now I can use Claude to create indicators at a more efficient level, right? So I might have an idea that I might not know how to code on TradingView, but with Claude, that might be easier now to do, right? So this is insane. And what's, you know, this is like that first signal that many others are going to come. And you can see right here, xt.com, cloud trading plugin. So they're already adding cloud code connecting to XT. So XT exchange, right? So now with Claude code, you can add this on XT as a plugin, and you can use it on XT for spot trading, you know, futures. It's insane because, you know, it's going to be all everywhere. This is just the first step. It's already on TradingView as well, which is the biggest platform out there for analyzing stocks or crypto on TradingView, which I use all the time, especially when I'm live streaming. And you can actually connect other platforms on TradingView, and you can actually buy and sell on TradingView itself, but you can connect Claude on there and you can now create indicators. I mean, there's so many possibilities with this when AI is finally coming into the crypto space, into the platforms themselves, right? And you can also see by that, I'm going to also share in this video, there's actually an article where it shows Claude predicting the price of XRP. So I'll show that in a little bit. Just stay tuned. But I also want to speak here on Claude, right? Because it's not just TradingView, it's not just these trading platforms, but it's also on Polymarket, right? These prediction markets that are huge, Kalshi and all these places. And you can see right here, prediction markets, which allow users to trade on the outcome of future events, have long attracted crypto native audiences. You know, not a surprise. Platforms like Polymarket have grown substantially. Now traders are leveraging Claude's advanced reasoning and natural language processing capabilities to gain an edge. These AI-powered bots perform several critical functions autonomously. First, they continuously scan and analyze new articles, social media sentiment, and on-chain data. They assess the implied probability of an event outcomes listed on prediction markets. Finally, they identify and execute trades based on perceived mispricings or arbitrage opportunities across different platforms. I mean, this is insane because what's happening is they're connecting Claude to these prediction markets, like I said, and it's doing exactly this. something that a regular human has no chance at competing with, right? It's analyzing super, super fast all these articles, possibilities, info, and data, and is making these decisions at a super fast level in getting the best arbitrage, like it says right there. Okay, this is insane. This is changing the whole game of prediction markets, of trading, of crypto. And you can see right here, this automated approach offers distinct advantages. Primarily, it removes human emotion bias, okay, from trading decisions. Furthermore, it operates at a speed and scale impossible for manual traders like me and you guys. For instance, a bot can monitor hundreds of market contracts and thousands of news sources simultaneously. However, the effectiveness of these systems hinges on two core factors: the quality of the data they ingest and the latency of their trade execution. A flawed data source or a slow network connection can instantly erase any potential profit. So those are the two weaknesses right there. But I'm telling you guys, this is the early stages. So this is just going to enhance more and more as we go. Okay. And I think if you want to have an advantage of this, you can see right here how to connect Claude to TradingView, right? You have to download and install TradingView. You already have that. Launch your CDP, close TradingView and launch it. And it's kind of, it's kind of hard at first, but I think the best thing is getting a good PC system, right? For GPU and all that. I think that is the step if you want to have that advantage in AI, because a lot of these AI programs are running locally, and you want locally is better because you don't have to pay subscription. It's much faster, but that includes having good hardware. So if you want to have an advantage of this, you definitely want to invest in a good hardware PC build, right? So let's look at this article, because this article is kind of interesting here. It talks about Claude predicting the price of XRP, Shiba, and PEPE by the end of 2026. So I'm actually kind of curious. I haven't seen this yet, but I want to see what's Claude's opinion here, right? Based on its analytical AI. So below it's Claude's AI outlook on the three currencies it believes could post strong performances this year. So it's bullish. XRP, right? XRP, Claude predicts XRP could surge to $8. Wow. $8. $8 for XRP. Yeah. So, I mean, apparently Claude is pretty bullish here. I mean, XRP is around 140 around right now. But it's saying that it thinks by the end of 2026 could be it says here, Claude estimates that a sustained bull market could send XRP as high as 25. So not even $8, 25 by the end of 2026. That's insane. I wonder what's the cause for this, right? Why does it think this? We can see right here, it talks about its RSI, but I want to see for the other ones too, right? Newly approved. So a big part of it is the ETFs, right? That can draw a big demand for XRP. And talking about Shiba, introduced in 2020, it talks about trading at, what is that, 5072.83. Claude suggests that a clean breakout above resistance 40s25 and 403 could ignite a powerful rally, potentially pushing Shiba Inu to 40s66 by the end of the year. So I mean, that's pretty crazy. So that would be around 817% upside. So I mean, this is really interesting. I definitely want to see how this holds up, because I'm pretty bullish too, but this is a pretty bullish here coming from Claude. But I just wanted to share this, guys, and I'm going to be bringing more videos on Claude. I myself am also getting into this, so I haven't really even looked at it yet, but I'm going to be looking at it. I'm going to be connecting Claude. I'm going to be testing out, creating indicators and stuff. I'm going to keep you guys up to date, because this is very important if you guys are looking to get into trading, crypto trading, and even prediction markets. This is very important. We're just in the beginning, so you guys have an advantage. All right, so definitely subscribe, comment below what's your opinion on this, and like the video and follow for more. I got you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.